Okay, so you're out in the garage or you're on the side of the road and you need to get a nut off of the engine or whatever it may be, and you can't find the right size wrench. Somebody went through your toolbox, they misplaced it, your kid buried it in the yard, whatever it is. Well, I got a simple solution for you, so don't panic. No matter what wrench size you have, we can get it off. Here's how you do it. I got an example nut and bolt here in the vise. Now this is a 9/16. All right, but it's tight. We don't have this wrench. It's buried in the yard, remember? We only have a 5/8, which the 5/8 clearly is not going to turn that. It's just going to bounce around. Here's what you do. Take a quarter. Doesn't matter what year the quarter is. Lay it up there. Take your 5/8 wrench that doesn't fit, and there we go. Now you should be able to turn this. There we go. Voila. Let's tighten this back up here. Get this nice and tight. Alright. Let's just say that you only have a 3/4, which is much bigger. Well, now you need 3/4. Okay? So you want to stack 3/4 up there. Hopefully they stay with one hand here. Alright, and let's get our wrench up here. Like that. And turn. There you go. And it's loose. These are all going to drop. That's how you do it. As long as you got some spare change laying around, doesn't matter what wrench you have, it will work. I thought it was a pretty cool tip when I found out about it. Hopefully this helps somebody else. See you next time.